Hi, Kiran.
Hi, Kiran. About you, Kiran.
Taking a walk in nature. Isn't that greenery just beautiful? Here with my main peeps, Kiran, myself, and baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Can you say baby girl? There's baby girl. And baby girl just having a fun nature walk out here at Karura Forest. Oh, this place is amazing and serene and green, and right now very hot. Yeah.
I'm going to take about you that.
And Kiran is carrying a protection stick in case anything creeps out of the woods.
Yeah.
See? You're going to protect us?
Yes.
Wonderful. Aya, let's go.
Yeah.
Don't put it in your mouth. Gosh.
Stop this. Lord, you're there. Party day.